this is one of my most favorite gaming PCs we've ever built.
As you guys can see, we had to do a lot of bends. The build is finally finished. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. It turned out pretty well. We have a really nice distro plate with all of these unique vents leading to the Tri-Swift water block. We also have a 7-inch monitor. I don't know if you guys caught that Michael requested. Looking really clean with the RTX 3080, 32 gigabytes of RAM, the i9-10900K, a beast of a CPU, and that 360 millimeter radiator, looking really clean. You guys can catch a flow indicator right over here. I didn't even have time to test. Oh my god. I'm glad you like it, bro.
Appreciate it, brother.
Hell yeah.